Dear students, you will be very happy to see this solution. So let's start. The solution is here. For this case, the pattern here is limit extends to 0 minus 1 plus under root within the first bracket tan x minus sin x plus under root within the first bracket tan x minus sin x plus dot to infinity, and whole divided by minus 1 plus root over x cube plus root over x cube plus root over x cube plus dot to infinity. Okay, so see these two pattern, we let us assume like let a is equal to under root of tan x minus sin x plus under root of tan x minus sin x, so plus under root of tan x minus sin x plus dot to infinity. So a square is equal to, so tan x minus sin x plus under root tan x minus sin x plus under root tan x minus sin x plus dot to infinity. So see again this pattern came out here. So a square is equal to tan x minus sin x. See, we get same pattern, so we can replace by a. So this is the quadratic equation of a. So a square minus a minus tan x minus sin x, and that is equal to 0. Now let us apply the formula of Sridhar. See, since a is more than 0, okay, a is more than 0, this is positive. So now we apply the formula, that is minus b plus minus root over, this is b square means 1, b square minus 4ac, this is minus 4ac, c is minus, so 4 times of, this is tan x minus sin x, and whole divided by, and this is here twice a means there 1. Okay, now takes the sign a is equal to 1 plus under root 1 plus 4 times of, this is here tan x minus sin x, okay, whole divided by 2. Since a is more than 0, that's why we take the sign positive. If we take the sign negative, then see here is 1 and under root of 1 plus 4 times of something, so it is under root, the value is more than 1, so they differ by 1 minus root of something, this is, we get a negative, so we take the sign positives. So since a is more than 0, that's why. Okay, now again now let b is equal to this form, that is x cube plus under root of x cube plus under root of x cube plus under root of x cube dot to infinity. Okay, so again squaring, then we get b square is equal to x cube under root of x cube under root of x cube under root of x cube, like that. We got same pattern, that is the formation of b. We put here b, so b square is equal to x cube plus b. Okay, therefore the quadratic equation of the variable b, b square minus b minus x cube equal to 0. Again we apply the formula of Sridhar. So this is minus this is minus b plus minus root over b square, and this is 1 square minus 4ac, a means 1, c means minus x cube. So this is plus 4 times of x cube and divided by twice a. Divided by twice a. Again, I want to say something, that is here b also a positive. Since b also a positive, we take the sign positive only. Therefore, b is equal to 1 plus under root 1 plus 4x cube and whole divided by 2. Taking b is more than 0. Since the limit x tends to 0, this is minus 1. And C, this is the formation of A, we put here A. And same as minus 1, and that is B. And this is equal to limit x tends to 0. So minus 1 plus A. So A means here 1 plus under root 1 plus 4 times of tan x minus sin x. Okay, and here whole divided by 2, same as minus 1 plus b. So this is here minus 1 plus under root 1 plus 4x cube and whole divided by 2. And limit x tends to 0, take 2 LCM and both the numerator and denominator part, then we get here minus 2 and plus 1. So this is here minus 1. So we got here minus 1, and that is under root 1 plus 4 times of tan x minus sin x. And same as C here minus 2 plus 1. So that's why minus 1 plus under root 1 plus 4x cube. Okay. Now both the expression, we rationalize both the term. See here, this is limit x tends to 0. We can rationalize the part here like root over 1 plus 4 times of tan x minus sin x. This is here minus 1. Okay, and under root 1 plus 4 times of tan x minus sin x. Okay, this is plus 1. For the same figure, same form, that is on the denominator part, that is 1 plus 4x cube, and this is a minus. So multiply by the conjugate terms, that is 1 plus 4x cube, and this is a plus 1. Now see, as it is multiplied by the numerator part, so it's also multiplied by the numerator part by this radical signs. This is 1 plus 4x cube and this is plus 1, and same as this is the factor which I multiply here on the both the numerator and denominator part. Okay, see, this is under root of 1 plus and 4 times of, this is tan x minus sin x. Okay, and plus 1. See, this is your limit x tends to 0. So if we multiply these two, this is a plus b, a minus b. So we got only 1 are cancelled, so 4 times of tan x minus sin x. 4 times of tan x minus sin x. And we have left here only this factor, radical sign factor, that is 1 plus 4x cube plus 1. Okay, on the denominator part there is also only 4x cube here, 4x cube plus 1 minus 1 are cancelled. So we have the another factor here is this radical sign figure. This is under root of 1 plus 4 times of tan x minus sin x plus 1. Okay. See, this is limit x tends to 0 and take common sin x by x. Take common sin x by x. Then we have left here 1 by sec x minus 1. So that is 1 minus cos x by cos x into x cube. And the other factor is under root 1 plus 4x cube plus 1 and under root 1 plus 4 times of tan x minus sin x, and this is plus 1. So limit x tends to 0. This is a sin x by x. So here we multiply by the factor 1 plus cos x by numerator and denominator part. So you get here sin x by x, and this is whole square into 1 by 1 plus cos x into under the root, that is here 1 plus 4x cube and plus 1 and root over of 1 plus 4 times of tan x minus sin x, and this is plus 1. Okay, so now apply the limit rule. Sin x by x, this is the standard formula. We got here 1 and this is 1 square, and this is here 1 by 2, and if we put here 0 then we got here 2, and same as if we put here 0 0, this is 0, this is 1 plus 1 2 here. Okay, so we got the answer, that is half. Dear students, I hope you all understood my class. So if you enjoy the class, then share this video to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.